this call, and I want both of you to speak. Ask
Yes, sir.
some questions. Questions with do and does. Mostly ask question like, do you like to listen to music? Okay, do you walk in the morning? Do you eat non-veg? And always try to ask why do you and why don't you. When you try to speak the answer, you say, yeah, I like it the most because, and as well as, in fact, actually, and that is why. These are the gap fillers and connectors that you have to use. Always try to use some contrast, then you have to use but, however, okay, similar to, in addition to this, in fact, actually, these are the things that you have to use. Okay, so let's begin the talk. Parul, start and ask once again the questions.
Okay. Do you like listening the music?
Yes, I like listening music. Mostly, I prefer rap song and fast song. I
Yes.
mostly, I'm sometimes I am in the evening. I prefer soft music, just like old Marathi songs and old Hindi songs. I'm big fan of Lata Mangeshkar and in fast song. I'm big fan of M.A. Vanta and another singer.
Okay, the same. If you're asking the same question, that is called counter questions. So, Saloni, ask the same question and you tell me, do you like to listen to music? Counter question. And you try to speak within 30 seconds so that you will have a lot of okay things to communicate and share. Saloni, ask the same question to her.
Do you like music?
Yes, without a doubt. I really enjoy the music, listening the music. Whenever I'm free and I sit alone, I listen the music, and I really like to listen in different types of music, like classical and like a sad song and like a slow song. My favorite musician is Lata Mangeshkar and the Kishore Kumar. I really like to listen the song to sing by both them. Uh, so whenever I'm free and I'm go to drive with my husband, I really like to listen the music with their music.
Which
That's fine.
song
So
please?
try to ask the next question. The same thing. When you finish, then you start another question.
Okay.
Or another question.
Okay. Do you like festival?
Yes, I like festivals. I like mostly Raksha Bandhan because all my brothers come at my home and we chilling, just vibing good. All the things we do, we play a lot of games. They give me a gift because I am only one sister they have. They we can say
Okay.
I have only one sister in our family.
Okay.
That
Ask the same question. Counter question. Don't forget.
okay. Do you like festivals?
Yes, I like festival. Uh, uh, India has so many festivals. So I like the festival, Diwali festival. Most of the My favorite festival is Diwali. Whenever Diwali is come, I always prepare the all thing before 1 to 2 months before. Uh, I I make diyas and I make painting on diyas, and I'll make vandarvar also. There is lot of different types of decorations in my I do in my home, and uh, I'll make a lot of different types of food, and I really enjoyed the Diwali festival because it's festival. It's like a lighting festival. So like lights, and we like enjoy together, and the whole family and the family and friends come to home and enjoy together. So
Yeah,
I like Diwali festival.
that is fine. Next question.
Uh,
You try to ask
do
Saloni
you
because you have written 100 questions. No, I have given you 100. So ask, see, and try to ask the same question. Come on. Saloni, ask question to Parul.
Do you speak English?
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Speak English?
Sorry, once again.
Do you speak?
Speak English.
Speak
What?
clear. You speak clear. Do you speak English? Do you learn English? Try to speak once
Okay,
again,
okay.
Saloni. Saloni, try to speak once again. Ask question.
Do you speak English?
Yes. I don't used to speak English, but now I used to speak English. I learned English with my teacher. Uh, uh, Before the time, I don't talk in English. So now I talk in English with you. So,
Ask the same question. Okay, now
do you
call.
speak in do you speak in English?
She's on the call. Wait. But I think this is good, going good. You can express
Yes.
your point of view. So try to use the words how I have given you. In fact, as a matter of
Yes.
fact. Okay,
Yes.
actually, the thing is this. I mean to say. Okay, I want to say. Okay, that is not a big deal. Okay, that's an interesting question. So
Okay.
I am familiar. Actually, I was not familiar with such kind of circumstances, but now, so try to, however, the user, on the contrary. Okay. In other words, these are the word already I have given you such kind of the gap fillers. Okay. Okay. Let me ask you by the time she's on the call. You tell me, do you discuss with your mom on different issues? If yes, why?
Yes, I discuss with my mom lot of things. Whenever I upset, I discuss my problem with my mom, and I tell her everything to my mom, and she gives me a lot of energy and a lot of different types of ideas. Ki how to remove to your problem. So that's why I share to my mom with my all problems. She's the great lady to inspire me, and she give me a right side and uh, positive way to all the things, and she teach me a lot, and I learn to a lot about her, my
Let
mom.
me ask the same question to Saloni. Saloni, do you discuss with your mom with different issues? Your sound is not audible. Okay, now I would like to ask you, Parul, tell me, it
Yes,
means
sir.
like, does your son make you in trouble, harass you?
Yes.
Tell me,
Yes. Where is
that's your
Uh,
son. Wait, wait, Saloni,
no,
wait, wait.
yes. My son, whenever my son is harass me and trouble me, then I do one thing, and I teach him a lot, and I'll take him and sit with me, and I understand thing. I could understand to him, and I do and teach him how to talk with your elders, and how to do your all things, because you are too small. Then I am not shouted you, and uh, that's why that is
Okay.
I'm
I
saying.
would like to ask Saloni. Saloni, I think you had a call. अभी आपका call आ गया था इसलिए आप, yeah, but we are not able to listen to you.
एक अर्जेंट मैसेज करना है. कैन यू गिव मी 5 minutes?
हाँ जी, चलेगा, 5 मिनट्स आप ले लो, कोई बात नहीं. Okay. Okay, Paul, by the time you start communication, okay.
Yes, sir.
So I would like to ask another questions. Ki, what is your future plan? How would you like to support your husband in his business?
My future plan is I want to support my husband because I know he is alone, and I want to support him. So that's why first thing, whatever we do, the English is most important. So first thing I learn English. After that, I completed my computer course, and after that I'll do help with my husband, and he also wanted to do that.
Okay. Uh, just now tell me the another questions. Another. Do you drink water? If yes, why?
Yes, I drink water, and because the water is very important for us, and water gives us a uh, uh, gives us a energy, and we feel water radiance. It's very important for our body. Uh, we want to drink around 4 to 5 liters water in a day. So that's why, and water it's still very low skill uh, to our health, to low risk our health. When we drink water, we feel like very light in our body. So after in a whole day, we drink 4 to 5 liters water in a day. So that's why I drink water in a whole day.
Okay. Now my next question is: do you think that friends are important in anybody's life or in people's
Yes,
life?
yes, the friends are very important in our life. Uh, Friends give us a lot of refresh, and we they feel us refreshed. And whenever we get upset, we can't talk with family. So some types of some kinds of topic we can't talk with family. So we choose friends, and we can talk with him, with our friends, and sometimes they solve the problems, and they understand, sometimes they understand more than the family, and we we they learn us a lot of things about about your problems, and sometimes they help us a lot.
Okay.
So that's why
Saloni?
the
Yeah.
friends.
Saloni, are you free? Saloni,
Yes, sir.
are you okay? Yeah. Shall I ask you a question? Saloni, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Your sound is not coming properly, Saloni. So keep your mouth, your earphone. Is it now okay? Can you listen to me, Saloni?
Yes, can. I am.
Okay. Now tell me. Do you think the friends are important?
Yes,
Speak it.
sir. Yes, sir. I think friends are most important part of our life. Uh, Sometimes some friends are annoying, irritating, but they help they help us more than they irritate. I have some close one. Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
A lot of questions are there. Now I will continue next time for the conversation. but I would like to start some grammatical session. Write down the topic should, should. Should